Good day, everyone. I am Renzo Elruta from Besed Math, your presenter for today. My topic is all about the 21st century curricular landscape in the classrooms. But first, let's read the desired learning outcomes. Describe the curricular landscapes of the 21st century classrooms and identify the 21st century skills to be developed in the curriculum. Next is the discussions in various groups here and abroad revolve along the different issues. So first is the globalizations of economies and independence in international markets. Second is increased concerns and actions about environmental degradations, water and energy shortages, global warming, pandemic, HIV, Ebola, and etc. Third is nations competing for power block, thus generating conflict that gives opportunities to build alliances and cooperation. Fourth is increased global migrations and opportunities for working overseas. Then fifth is science and technological revolutions. And lastly is knowledge economy as a generator of wealth and jobs. So all of these issues need a curriculum that will address global solutions to environmental problems, environmental sustainability, cultural diversity, global conflicts, technology revolutions, and science breakthrough. So next is the curriculum for this century should inspire and challenge both the teachers and the learner. These are some of the characteristics of this curriculum. It is a curriculum that provides appropriate knowledge, skills, and values to face the future. Is based on knowledge drawn from research. Is a product of consultative, collaborative development process and supports excellence and equality for all learners. So of course, of the characteristic of this curriculum is to have enough or appropriate knowledge, skills, and values to face the future in order for us to be updated or knows anything or everything about this new curriculum, right? So, yeah. So next is the need to develop 21st century skills of learners in the curriculum. So what are the skills needed by 21st century learners in order to cope with the curriculum? Will the curriculum likewise develop these skills too? According to the Singapore Ministry of Education, such clusters of competencies are seen in the metrics. So here are the cluster of skills for the 21st century. First is the learning and innovation skills, and the specific descriptor is critical thinking and problem solving, creativity and innovation, oral and written communication. And then second is knowledge, information, media and technology literacy skills. And the specific descriptor is content mastery, information literacy, media literacy, and ICT literacy. Third is life skills. The specific descriptor is flexibility and adaptability initiatives and self-direction, teamwork and collaboration, social and cross-cultural skills, productivity and accountability, leadership and responsibility. And lastly is citizenship skills, and the specific descriptor is valuing of diversity, global awareness, and environmental awareness values, ethics, and professionalism. On the other hand, Howard Gardner, 2006, from his book Five Minds of the Future, sees that the five frames of thinking which would help in the development of thinking skills. Each frame of thinking is attributed to the type of minds the learner has to use in order to survive the future. So here are the five frames of thinking. So first is the disciplined mind. And the specific descriptors is makes use of the ways of thinking necessary for major scholarly work and profession. And second is the synthesizing mind. And the specific descriptors is selects crucial informations from the curriculum amounts available, processing such informations in ways that make sense to self and others. Third is the creating mind, goes beyond existing knowledge, pose new questions, offer new solutions. And fourth is the respectful mind, and the specific descriptors is sympathy, sympathetically and constructively adjust to individual differences. And the last one is the ethical mind, considers one's rules as citizens consistently and strives toward good work and good citizenship. Lastly, Tony Wagner in his book The Global Achievement Gap mentioned the 7 survival skills for the 21st century curriculum. So first is the critical thinking and problem solving. Second one is collaboration across networks and leading by influence. Third is agility and adaptability. Fourth is initiative and entrepreneurship. Fifth is effective oral and written communication. And sixth is accessing and analyzing information. And the last one is the curiosity and imagination. So that's all on my presentation. Thank you and God bless everyone.